Yeah, hi everyone. Good evening. I hope I'm audible to all of you. Yeah, hi Shashwat, Pradeep, Imtiaz. Good evening to all of you. Uh, I hope you are doing well, guys. Hi Mohammed, Papa, Franklin. Yeah, hi Sadiq. Hi. Okay, Manpreet Singh. Hi. Do we need paid API key for this course? See, I will show you the both. Sorry, I will show you the both approach. The OpenAI approach as well as the open source approach. Okay, so you can use any of them. But see, I already told you, if you want to create an industry ready project, so OpenAI model is the best so far. So if you check out this course now, I will show you. So this course, Master Generative AI. So in this course, I already explained, okay, how to select the right large language model. You can see choosing orchestration framework for the application development. Here I think I discussed advanced AI architecture. Yeah, so selecting right foundation LLMs, okay, for your application. So in this lecture, I already given you, okay, based on what topic you have to select the model, okay, what are the condition you have to consider. So each and everything I have explained there. Yeah, hi, Suleiman. Is this course free for us? No, it's a paid course. So some of the lecture would be available over the YouTube, but if you want to join the entire class, you have to enroll for the course, okay? And you can also take the Euron Plus subscription, so you can access all the courses from the Euron site that time. Okay, well, whether it's a live class, recording class, anything you can access. Yeah, actually, I'm not still well. I'm sick because I got this cough. Okay, because of that, actually, it is a little bit difficult for me to speak. Hmm. Are we covering no code like make and no? We are not going to cover these are the thing, but no code wise, I will tell you some of the platform, Mohammed. Okay. Hmm. All right, so let's start with our class today. So I think, guys, you remember yesterday I was talking about the introduction of this agentic AI. We saw like what is agentic AI exactly. Even I already showed you like two agentic AI demo, right? So then I told you, next class we'll try to see the entire code implementation, okay, line by line, okay, how things are working, how we can use the Crew AI. So each and everything we'll try to learn today. Fine. Then after Kurai, we'll move to the line graph. Then we'll try to see any other framework. Okay. With the help of that, we'll try to create multiple agents application. Because here, see, here is, nothing theory is there. Okay. So theory, whatever theory you need, you have to cover in the GNAI. So the course I have showed you in the GNAI course, I have covered all the theory. Okay. In Agentic AI, there is no theory. So everything is about practical here. Okay. Because this is the updated version of GNAI at the end. Okay. Here you are doing the automation with some framework. That's it. So here, there is no theory. That's why the syllabus is like, you can see this, the syllabus is like very short because there is no theory. Okay. Everything is practical here. But if you check the GNI content syllabus, the syllabus is huge because we have to cover lots of theory there. Okay, just to make your foundation strong. Yeah. What are the prerequisite for this course? Python programming and basics of GNI understanding. Imanshu. Hmm. So let's see the demo. The first, we'll try to see the code demo. Yesterday, the demo I showed you how we can create the agents and multi agents. Both example we'll try to see. For this, I'm going to open up my local folder. So here, let me set up everything. So first of all, I will open up my VS Code here. So all of you can open up your VS Code and you can do the setup with me. See, before starting any project, first of all, you just need to create a README file. Or what I can do, instead of doing like that, I can create a GitHub repo. That would be fine, so that the code I can share with you. So here, let's create a new repository. I'll name it as our or like crew AI agents demo. You can give any name, it's your choice. I'll add the README file. Git ignore, I'll take Python. And license, let's take the MIT license. Now let's the repository. Now let me share the link to all of you. So here is the link, guys. So here you will see all the codes. Okay. I'm sharing in the YouTube also. Mm. Fine. So now let's clone this repo. I'll click on the code, copy the link address. I'll open up my folder. And here, let's try to clone. So first of all, let me close the window. I'll open up my terminal. Let's write git clone. Okay, then paste the link. Now see, you can see this folder is cloned. Now let's go inside that cd crew AI agents demo. Why you are not doing free on YouTube? Is it not a paid class? No, it is a paid class. Okay, Rajiv. If you see, this course is paid. If I show you this Agentic AI, it's a paid course. Incognito window, just try to open. You will see that the course price is $24. Okay. Hmm. So we'll only try to upload this introduction session. Okay. Hmm. In the YouTube. And if you're interested joining all the class for the course. Fine. So I already cloned the repo and I'm inside this CrewAI demo folder. That means inside this folder. Now here, let's open up my own Visual Code Studio. Hmm. Then the next thing we have to do the project setup. Okay. To do the project setup, so you just need to follow some commands. So let me share the commands with you. First of all, you have to create the environment, then activate, then install the requirements. See, these three commands you have to execute. Okay. First of all, try to create an environment with this command, then activate the environment, then install the requirements. Fine. So for me, I already have the environment. Let's me activate it. But for you, just try to create, then activate. I think not this one. So it is activated. Now let's create the requirement file. So requirements dot txt. So here you have to mention the requirements you need to create this particular application. So here I need the crew AI. So see, this is the crew AI, and with crew AI you also need to install crew AI tools, because crew AI also needs some tools. Like if you want to use the SERP API, or let's say Tabili API, that time this tools is required, and it also needs some dependency package, Langchain. But if you're not installing Langchain, it is also fine. Okay, it will work, but you can also install these two packages at least: Langchain OpenAI and community. Okay, then I also need python.env. Hmm. So once it is done, you have to install the requirements by executing this command. done. For me, it is already done because I installed previously. For you, it will take some time. Now, what I can do, I can push the changes so that you can get all the requirements and everything. So here I can write readme updated. The share the env code. See, env credential I'm not going to share. You have to use your env. Okay, Shashwat. But I will show you, okay, how to create the env. So let's create a env file. I'll name it as .env. So inside that you need some credential. The first credential you need OpenAI API. Then you need SARP API. Okay, so here just replace your OpenAI API key, and here you just need to replace your SARP API key. Okay, how to get the SARP API key? I'll tell you. So go to the SARP API, sarp.dev, sign up with your account. Then here you will see left hand side API key. Copy the API key, and yet you just need to mention it. Okay. Hmm. All right. So both model will try to see. We'll use the OpenAI model. Even we'll also try to explore the Grok API. So Grok Playground. So Grok provides actually free API key. With that also you can test the model. So please log in. I'll log in with my email. So here you can see the playground. Even you can see the message like ChatGPT. It will give you the response. And here you have different open source model, like you have Llama, you have Mistral, Whisper, okay, Gemma. So these are the model you have. So first of all, let's try to see the OpenAI example. Then I'll show you the Grok API example as well. So for this, let's create a file here. So I'm going to name it as uh, agents or single agents. Okay, single underscore agents agent demo dot py. Yeah, and to implement these agents, we need the Crew AI library. Okay, so Crew AI is a framework. Crew AI. So you can see it's a Python framework. With the help of that, you can create agents and multi-agents application. Okay, and it is getting more popularity. Okay, even you can see lots of companies are also using this package. Even they have also collaborated with the deep learning.ai. So Android is having another course on his platform. Okay, with the Crew AI founder and CEO, you can see. Okay, Joe Moura, I think his name is. So yeah, it is like more powerful and easy to use package so far. Personally, I like a lot this Crew AI because of its simplicity. Okay, and it supports almost all the model. You can see Meta, Grok, okay, ChatGPT, then AWS Bedrock, okay, everything it supports. So even they have the documentation link. So you can see like documentation is also there. Yeah, there they have given the code snippet how to use it. Crew AI documentation. So here they have given the installation guideline, how to install the Crew AI, then the quick start code. Okay, they have given everything there. So first of all, try to see my implementation. Then you can start with your this document discussion. Okay, fine. So first of all, what I will do, I will start writing the code. So first of all, we have to import some library. So let's import. I need operating system. And then I need .env. So from .env import load env. Then I need this crew AI. So crew, I have to select my environment here. This is LLM app. So crew AI import. I need agents. I'll tell you. Okay, everything. What is agent? What is task? Everything I'll tell you. Then I need the crew. Then after that I need crew AI tools. So from crew AI underscore tools, I need SARP tool. Okay, because I will be using the SARP API. Okay, for the web SARS operation, SARP dev tool. Then I need OpenAI model. So for this, I'm going to import from crew AI. Okay, crew AI. I think crew AI is having also Grok model. Maybe crew AI Grok. Okay, the Grok I'll check it. First of all, let's open the import the OpenAI. OpenAI import. Uh, okay, sorry, it is not inside crew AI. This is my mistake. It is inside LangChain. So from LangChain OpenAI. And see, Grok is also there. Okay, so we'll be using OpenAI at the very first. Then I need to import chat OpenAI. Okay. Hmm. Now let's load the env file, and I'll take the Sarpar API key and OpenAI API key both is equal to os dot get env Sarp API key. Then I need OpenAI API key both. Then I have to define my source tool. So here, let's define source tool is equal to serve dev tool. Okay. Then after that, let's get a function. So dev, I'm going to name it as create a research agent. Okay, research agent, research agent. So see what here what I'm going to do. So I'm going to create a agents here. Let me take new screen. So here I'm going to create a single agents. Single agents. Okay. So single agent means there would be only one agents, A1, and I'm calling this agent as research agent. Research agent. So here what will happen, user will give one topic. On top of the topic, it will do the research over the internet and it will give the response. Okay. So this is called actually single agents only. Real-time information it will fetch from the internet and it will give you the response. Then later on, I will also show you how to create the multi-agents. Multi-agents, okay. There will be using multiple agents, like we'll be using agent 1, agent 2, and agent 3. Okay, like that. So we'll be creating only 2 agents. 3 agents I'm not going to create. So here user will give one topic and there would be a research agent and there would be a writer agents. So this research agents will do the research operation based on the topic user is giving and it will write the blog on top of it and it will be connected with this particular agents. Okay, and these agents will give the response. Okay, and I will save this response as a MD file. markdown file. Okay, so this multi agents will try to create also. First of all, let's see the single agents, that I will see the multi agents as well. Both will try to see. I'm completely non-technical. What other course I should learn? You mentioned GenAI, Python. There are many Euron courses this topic. Which one should I learn? I'm not able to understand. Okay, Rani, see, if you go to the Euron platform, so here, if you go to the courses, na, so here, just go to the courses, and in the courses section, just click on see all. Okay, now you'll see there are actually different filters are coming. Filter with the free course first of all. See, if you're completely new in the GenAI, filter with the free course. After clicking on the free course, you will see this course, Complete Generative AI series. I'm sharing the link as well in the chat. So this course, at the very first, you have to complete. Okay. So once you complete this course, then you can click on the paid one. Now inside paid one, I have one course called Master Generative AI. Okay, this one. Then you have to watch this particular course. Okay. So once you complete these two courses, then you can start with the Agentic AI. Okay. And if you're new to the Python, so you can also learn the Python from the free course. So here I created a complete playlist of the Python, this one, this course you can see. If you're completely new, okay, those who are completely new, they can start with these are the course. Then start with Agentic AI, okay. What we are building today, we are building agents and multi-agents, okay, Muhammad. So we'll be creating a research agent and we'll be creating a blog agents, okay, blog writer agents. Two agents will try to create. Hmm. So let's create our research agent, okay? Because this is the single agents demo. That means these agents we are creating, single agents. So it will take a topic name, it will research about the internet, it will give you the response, okay? Let's do it. So what you have to do, you have to define one large language model. Let's define LLM is equal to, I'll be using OpenAI. So chat OpenAI. Inside that, you can define the model name. Model is equal to, I'm going to use GPT 3.5 Turbo. You can also use GPT-4 model if you want, but I'll be using this particular model. Okay. Now, once it is done, here we'll create the agents. Okay. Let's create the agents. So here, I think you remember we imported agents from AI. Okay. That means we are creating the agents now. What agents? We are creating the research agent. You can see A1. That means research agent we are creating. So that's why we are using this function, and that is the use of AI. So AI has different function. So you can use that function, and inside that you can give some parameter. Your agents would be ready. You don't need to write so many line of code. Okay, this is the main advantage to use the AI. But if you're doing the same project with the help of line graph, there you have to write so many line of code. Okay, and it is like more confusing. So that's why AI is getting more popularity nowadays. So here what I will do, I will create a agents here. So let's create the agents. So the first parameter you have to give the agents called role. Okay, the first parameter you have to provide the role of the agents. Now this agent I want to call as a research, okay, specialist. Now you can give any name. Let's say you are creating a code specialist agent. Okay, that time you can give code specialist. So here I'm creating as a research specialist. That's why I'm giving research specialist. Okay, this particular role. Then I have to give another parameter called goal. So see, these are the things are common, okay, for all the agents you will be creating. Okay, these are the things are common for all the agents. Goal. Now you have to specify the goal. What should be the goal of the agents? So here I will tell these agents will conduct research through the topic user will give. So conduct through research on a given topic. Okay, so I think through spelling is not correct. Now it is fine. See, conduct through the research on a given topic. That means whatever topic user will provide, it will do the research operation on the topic and it will give the response. Okay. Then the second one, and you have to give the back story. Okay, back story. Story. Hmm. Now in the back story, you have to give the entire prompt. Okay, that means what you want exactly. So here I can give the prompt. That means the way you used to give the prompt in the LLM, na? So same way you have to give the prompt here. So this is the prompt I have given. You are an experienced researcher with expertise in finding and synthesizing information from the various sources. Okay, this is the prompt I have given, let's say. Fine. Then the next parameter you have to pass, which is called verbose. Verbose. Verbose parameter, if it is true, okay, that means it will show you all the execution in the terminal. That means you can see all the links. Okay, yesterday I think you remember all the source links and everything. You used to see that. How? Because of this verbose parameter. Okay, if verbose is equal to true, that means you can see all the execution log. If it is false, you can't see anything there. Okay, only the result you will be able to see. But I want to visualize all the execution log, that's why I will give verbose is equal to true. Then there is another parameter called allow delegation. Okay, delegation. Allow delegation. So see, this is a single agents. You can see this is a single agents. Okay, after this agent there is no agents. That's why this allow delegation should be false, because I don't want to connect with another agents. If you want to connect with other agents like the multi agents, that time this allow delegation would be is equal to true. Okay, but I'm creating a single agent, so that's why it would be false. Fine. Then you have to give the tool, the tools you have defined. So it should be present in the list. So here is the tool, guys, search tool. If you want, you can also use multiple tool. Okay, but let's use single tool as of now. Now I will also specify the LLM. The LLM wise, I have created this LLM object. Let's define it here. Okay, so once it is done, you have to return this particular agent. Return. Okay, return. That's it. Okay, our agent is ready. Now second task. Okay, so this is the agent creation. Now the second task you have to do the task creation. So let's create another false function. I'll name it as create a research task. Okay, because you have specified the agents, now you have to specify the task of the agents. Okay, and for this I'll be using the task function from the crew AI. Let's use task. Okay, now inside that you have to specify the task. First of all, you have to give the description of the task. So here is the description, guys. So here I'm telling research on the following topic and provide a comprehensive summary. Okay, and user will give the topic, so it should be the input. So here you can take topic should be the input, and it will also take the agents you are returning. So here you can also write agent. Okay, so it will take two input this function, so agent and topic. Then the second parameter you have to define called agent. Agent is equal to, so the agent you are getting you can specify here. Okay, then you have to mention the expected output. Expected underscore output. Okay, expected output is equal to, here you can specify what kinds of output you want from your agents. So here is my expected output. So here I have written, I need a detailed summary of the research findings. Okay, include key points and insights related to the topic. Okay, so this is what actually I want. Now let's say you need a JSON output, you need a, let's say, TXT output. At that time you can mention here, okay, in a prompt. So yeah, that thing you can do. So once it is done, you can again return this particular task. So return the task. Okay, that's it. Now once your agent and task is ready, now you have to, okay, what you have to do, you have to create the crew. Okay, you have to create the crew. So let's create the crew. So here I will create another function, def run underscore research. Okay, so let's say this is the function, and here user will pass the topic name, and here I will create the agents first of all. Agent. Okay, what is the agent? So I think you remember, this is my agent function. Let's call it here. So once agent is created, then I will create the task. Okay, so let's create a task is equal to create task. So inside that I have to give my agent object and the topic object both. Okay, so once it is ready, let's create the crew is equal to crew. That means this function. Okay, now inside that I'll pass my agent is equal to the agent I have defined, this one. Then you have to give the task is equal to task you have defined. Once it is done, you have to do the crew dot. There is a function called kickoff. Okay. So if you see the crew AI documentation also, kickoff function. So here I think they have given the example. After crew, you have to do the kickoff. I think somewhere I saw that. Yeah, some, see there is a kickoff. So once you have ready prepared the crew, then you have to run the crew. Okay, and how to run the crew with the help of this kickoff function. So here you can write crew.kickoff. Okay, that's it, and it will give you the result, the search result, research result. Okay, results. So this results you can return. So return results. Okay, now let's start executing my application. So first of all, I will give a welcome message. So welcome to the research agents. Okay, then here I will take an input from the user. I'll give enter the research topic. Hmm. Once it is done, I will run my run research function, and this will provide the result. Inside that, I will give the topic. Okay, and whatever topic my result I got, I'll just try to print it. Research result. Okay, and here I'll print the result. That's it. Okay, so yes, so this is my single agents. Okay, very simple. Let me know, guys, did you get? Kindly share your email, WhatsApp, if any. Thank you. You are doing any Bangla class? Yes, I also have the Bangla YouTube channel like Bangla Code Academy. You can follow this one. See, guys, I also created one Bangla YouTube channel for you. So those who are from Bangla community, you can see the Bangla channel as well. So I think it is there. See Bangla Code Academy. This one. I'm sharing the link. And you can connect me over my LinkedIn, okay, if you want. So this is my LinkedIn profile, guys. And my email is bappi@euron.1. No, you don't need to specify the prompt. I mean, that's how you don't need to do, okay? If you're using Crew AI, it's super easy to give the prompt, okay, like that. Backstory means this is the prompt, okay, prompt of the agent, like what this agent needs to perform. So that thing you have to define here. Like I think you remember in LLM also you used to give a prompt, right? User instruction like that. Sorry, system instruction. Fine. Okay, so now let's execute this agents and try to see whether it is working fine or not. So this is the file. Let's execute. So I'll write Python single agents, single agent demo py. So it is asking for the research name. Let's say I'll give what is the name I can give, guys? Let's say I'll give anything. Let's say I'll give Agentic AI. This is the research topic. Okay, now if I hit enter, now see your agent is running and it is referring different website. Okay, there is a miss index out of range. Okay, I got one error. Mm, okay, let me check the error, guys. What is the error I got? Let me save and let me execute again. Topic name Agentic AI. See, now it is working. I don't know what was the error. I think this was some environment issue. Now let me save and share the code with you. So updated the code. So guys, you can execute in your system and let me know. Okay, done. Now we can see this is the result I got about the agentic AI. Okay, so here we are using OpenAI large language model. Okay, now let's try to see how to use the Grok free Grok model. So this thing I'll make a copy. So what I can do, I'll copy and I have to paste. This is the copy one. So here let's replace with the Grok model. So Langchain Grok chat Grok. Okay. Now here I need the Grok API as well. So let's take the Grok API, guys. Just a minute. Now to get the Grok API key, go to the Grok playground. Left hand side, you will see the Grok API key and create one API key. I'll give the name live class test submit. And this is my API key. I'll copy and here let me mention. So guys, please try to create your own API key. Okay, all of you. Can we execute in VS Code? So here, see, I'm using in VS Code only. But I'm using separate terminal, but if you want, you can also use VS Code terminal. See, there is a terminal is also there. Okay, both terminal, but make sure you are using command prompt. Okay, this one MTS. So I have defined my Grok API key. Now let's try to replace. So here, what I will do, instead of OpenAI, I need the Grok API key. So I think I created a notebook how to create the Grok model. Let me check. Talk with different LLM. So here I already showed how to load the Grok. Let's first of all test whether it is working or not. I'll copy this code. What I can do, I can copy from here. First of all, let's test, okay, whether it's working or not. So for this, um, I'm going to comment. These are the line and execute the code from here. So I don't need to import. Chat grok is fine. env I also have. Let's use the llama model. I'll delete the mistral. This is my llm.invoke. And this is the content I'm getting, and just remove this part, okay. And so now let's test. So I'll open python single demo.copy. What is the name? Single demo copy. Instead of that, I can replace the name like that. Maybe that would be fine. Single demo with grok, with OpenLLM, or I can write grok. Now let's try. Okay, I'm getting one error. Langchain code chat cannot import lang smith params. Why? Because you have to install one package, I think. Langchain grok. Range of the package version you should specify, then remove the package version, allow people. See, this is like very frequent updates, so there are so many package update is going on, so that's why sometimes it gives the conflict issue. Conflict caused. Okay, so what I can do, maybe I can create a new environment. That would be fine. So let's create a new environment. I'll name it as agent demo. This is the environment I'm going to create. Done. Now let's import. Sorry, activate, then install the requirements. Okay, I'm getting one error. Conflict caused. The user requested Langchain to crew AI depends on Langchain less than or greater than. To fix, choose the range of the package version that you specified. Remove the package version, allow to keep the dependency issue. So what I can do, I can open the requirement and comment this line. Also comment. Mm, okay, let's try. Langshan grok depends Langshan core. Okay, let me copy the error. This is the combination of what? Langshan core, Langshan community, OpenAI. Langsmith, I don't need. Langshan OpenAI, it's fine. And rest I can comment. Now let's try, okay? Again, dependency issue. Mm, the user through AI with grok. Let's try this combination, guys, and let's see. Because see, there are so many updates going on. Okay, it worked for you. Langshan grok 0.2 point. Let me try 2.3. 0.2.3. Can you give your entire requirements in the chat? I'm having the same issue. Just give me the entire requirements you have. Langshan OpenAI, I don't need. Okay, let's remove the OpenAI. Crew AI 0.20.5. Community core. Now let's try. Again, the same issue. Crew AI tool is equal to 0.0.15. Crew AI provides LLM itself instead of Langshan, isn't it? No, Crew AI does not provide LLM. You have to use other LLM. Okay, so let me try this combination. Now maybe it is working. Let's see. Okay, we have given a link. Let's see. We've installed crew grok. Okay. So this is the grok actually code they are suggesting, but I'm referring the crew AI documentation. Okay, that's why. So if you see crew AI documentation, so there you have to use like that. See, there are different approach you can use, but I'm following that approach. The previous OpenAI I showed you, na, that one, like that actually I'm using. Maybe this approach will also work. You can use that. But let's try to see this demo first of all. Is there any limit on how many agents you have? No, there is no limit. You can create as many as agent you can. But as you increase the agents, your execution time will be high. Okay, it would be slow execution because all the agents should run one by one. That then you will get the response. So try to reduce the agent size. Okay. This next example I'm going to show you multi agents. You will see the execution time because there will be using two agents. So the first agent execution time was like very fast, but second agents it will be like a little bit slow. You can check the grok documentation, Ibrahim. I'm not sure. So you can connect different sources, model sources, like you can connect bedrock also. See the documentation, you'll see like how to connect. So in between, let me show you how to replace the code. So after installing these are the package, what you have to do, maybe I can remove this part. This is not required. This is my previous environment, okay, for the OpenAI. Hmm. Then here you have to change these are the part. So only the model parameter you have to change. This one, okay. So here you can see you have to give see the chat grok model we have imported. This one here. So instead of using chat OpenAI, you have to use chat grok. and inside that you have to replace the model name. Temperature parameter, if you want, you can give, like, this is the creativity parameter. Model name, I'm using llama 37b 8192 model. So here you can see this model is available. 8192. Okay, this model I'm using. If you want, you can also use Mistral model. Okay, any model you can use from here. Then after that you have to give the API key. So this is the API key I have. Then the same thing, okay, same code. Nothing need to you do not change. Okay, so this is the Grok one, and previous one, this is the OpenAI one. So this is the difference. I hope you got it. Even you can see the example also. After that, they're creating the agents, then the task, then crew, and kickoff. Okay, that's it. Got it. So this installation will take some time. Okay, in between, let's create the multi agents. So here, what I will do, I'll close this window and I'll create the multi agent. So let's create a file. So multi agent, okay, demo. So same concept. So let's write quickly. Now we'll be creating these agents. These agents, okay. So we'll be creating a research agent as well as the writer agent. So research agent will research the topic. Writer agents will write the blog, okay, in a MD file. So let's create this agent. So again, I'll import all the necessary library like that. Then you can load your env serve tool, okay. Then after that you can create the agent. But before that, let's set the environment like that. Then we'll try to take the LLM. Here, let's import the chat OpenAI. See, there are two ways you can define the chat OpenAI. Either you can define like that, either there is another approach. Okay, let me show you this approach you can follow. So in the environment, you can set, let's say, OpenAI model. Which model you want to use? I want to use GPT for 32K model. That's how you can also give. Even that's how you can also define. Okay, both approach I showed you. You can use any of them. Then after that, let's create our researcher agent at the first time. So this is the researcher agent, guys. See. So again, the same concept. First of all, define the role, goal, verbose, and if you want to use memory, okay, memory means if you want your agents to be remember your previous context, okay, that is the previous conversation, that time you can make this parameter as true. If it is false, that means it won't be remembering. If it is true, that means it will remember. Okay, like you learn na, like memory in Langchain, the same thing. So in Kuruai, we also just need to pass the memory is equal to true. That's it. Then backstory, tools, and allow delegation is equal to true. Hi guys, can anyone tell me why allow delegation is equal to true? Any idea? Let me know by seeing this image. Why allow delegation is equal to true? For multi-agents communication, yeah, because it will connect with the agent too. Okay, yeah, so that's why allow delegation is equal to true. Otherwise, everything is same. The previous agent we created. Got it? Now, once agent is created, now I have to create the task of the agent. But before that, let's create another agent, this agent, writer agent. Same concept. See, writer agent. Okay. Now, role writer, goal, it will write the blog, verbose, memory, backstory. then tools, allowed education false, because after that there is no agents. Okay, that's why it is false. Fine. Now let's define the task. So first of all, I will define the task for the research agent. Okay, you can see this is the task of the research agent, research task. So identify the new next big trend on the topic. User will pass the topic, then it will actually do the research and everything. Here I've given the prompt. An expected output I need. Okay, comprehensive 3 paragraph long reports on the latest AI trends. Okay, so that's how it will give me the result, and this result I will pass to the writer agents. So this is the task of the writer agents. So writer agents will take the article, it will do some refine, understand. After that, it will write the blog, a 4 graph article on the topic, advertisement format as a markdown. That means I need a markdown format output. And here you have to specify output file, new blog post.md. Now you can pass any kinds of, let's say, name here. Okay, but I need a markdown file format. That's it. Now let me save. So once it is done, I will create the crew. Okay, so this is my crew. Inside that I have given the agents, 2 agents and 2 tasks, and process is equal to sequential because it's a sequence of execution. This agents, then is this agents will execute. Okay, that's why sequential. Then after that, kick off. Crew a kick off, topic name is equal to, let's say I've given AI healthcare. Okay, this is the topic I want to generate the blog. So now you can see there is no markdown file, but if I execute, let me execute and let me show you. So what I can do, I can activate my previous environment, LLM app. So conda activate, because in that environment I set up everything. LLM app. Now let's clear and I'll execute now. Python multi-agents demo. Now so it is running. Now it is searching over the internet, different links. It will research, then it will write the blog. How many types of process is there? Which process you are talking about? Okay, process parameter. So simply you can search process in Crew AI. It's always not possible to remember everything. Process. You have sequential, you have hierarchical, and consensual process. Okay, these are the 3 process you have, Ramesh. Okay, yeah, edges always require a tool. Without tool it can't do the search operation. Okay, tools is required, because with the help of tool now it will do the Google search. Can we use that memory when it comes to production level and keep separate memory for the different user? Yes, maybe you can keep. See, there is a memory functionality also. Different memory configuration are there. You can check it out. See, they have already given the example with different memory. So I showed you this approach. Now maybe you can check any other approach, whether session is possible to create or not. Any other question, guys? Give me an example where tools isn't needed. In the RAG, okay, you don't need tool. If you are not doing real-time source operation, tools is not required. Let's say you want to create a chatbot on top of this Bangla Code Academy. So let's say you want to create a chatbot on top of the Euron. So what is Euron? How many codes it has? Okay, that time RAG application is fine. But if you want to see the real-time information, okay, real-time information, let's say um, Los Angeles, LA wildfire updates. Okay, so these are the latest actually news. Okay, every time it is changing. So real-time information for these unit agents. tool. Will we study the deployment of agents AI, like we have the, yeah, we'll also create the app, even we'll also see the deployment as well, Ramesh. Okay. Hmm. So anyone executing with me, let me know. So let me share the code also with you. In agentic approach, we have the knowledge base. No, here we don't have any kinds of knowledge base. Okay, every time it will do the real time source operation. I don't know why it is slow. I don't know. Can we specify the output format of the task in the HTML format with a specific task? Yes, you can also specify that. And to give you one task, let's say I have saved this response as in markdown format. You can do in the TXT format or HTML or any other thing. Okay, just change the prompt and check it. So please ask some query if you have, guys. Can we integrate AI agents for automated sales call? What kinds of sales call? First of all, you have to decide. Okay, what would be the pipeline? Based on that, you can decide. Okay, so execution is completed. Now, if you see, it has generated this MD file. Okay, blog post. Now see, here is the detail. Okay, uh, topic with the amazing markdown file. Now you can easily post this blog in your social media. Okay, so that is the power of agents, guys. Only you are providing the topic name and everything is happening automatically. So now you can create another agents 3, and there you can, let's say you want to post this blog over the LinkedIn. So now you have to get the LinkedIn API key, and with the help of Python code you can post it. Okay. Hmm. Oh, we can develop a real world application on top of it. See, this is what your real world application. Then now a blog post generator is also a real world application. You want to add an image in this blog. So for this you can use multi-model. So here you are using this OpenAI 4 model, no? GPT-4 model. You can use GPT-4 vision model, and in the specify in the like prompt you can specify you need an image. Okay, these are the thing. So maybe in the crew AI documentation also they have something. Let me check. Custom tool. See, these are the tool actually it supports. I'm not sure they have the image functionality or not. I'll check it and I'll let you know. Okay, because it is still under development. So many update is going on. Okay, so crew knowledge, then collaboration, training, memory, planning, testing, CLI. Mm, we not there. Create a custom tool. Okay, I will check and let you know. Okay, in the next class, I will let you know whether it has the image functionality or not. Vision tool. I haven't created any vision application so far. Okay, I'm not sure because whatever application you can see over the internet, people are getting text-based application. Okay, with the help of agents. I'll check it out. Okay, and let you know. Hmm. So tell me, guys, did you get the agents? Like how we can create the agents with the help of Crew AI, and it is like super easy to use. Let me know. Then we'll see another demo. We'll use line graph for this. Okay, line graph, and we'll see the demo how to create the agents. Right. Any task is like you have to generate any other file format instead of this markdown. Okay, this is the task, or let's say txt html or anything. Fine. Okay, so I think code I have already shared with you. Let's update this file also, and if you refresh my github, all the codes are available. Okay, so please try to check from your side, try to create, and you can let me know. Can we create an login agents to yes, see, for this you need an API, like a developer API you need for any kinds of social media. No, line graph is not today. Line graph I'll show in the next class. Okay. Fine. So here's this was the like our agent demo with the help of Crew AI. Both agents we saw, like single agent as well as the multi agents. Maybe we'll create some more, let's say, agents. Okay, different agents. Then I think our understanding would be more clear. Okay, so this was just the introductory agents we created. Going forward, we'll also create some more agents. Hmm. So yes, guys, this is all. Thanks for joining. Let's connect in the next class and try to learn some new topic. Thank you, guys. Please share the GitHub link again. So yes, I can share. So this is the GitHub link. So bye, sir. Bye, everyone. Thank you.